back at it again here on a Monday night to celebrate Paul Walker. This is a car meet dedicated to him, you know, as he passed away. RIP Paul Walker, happy birthday. But we here in Newark, we originally were in Milpitas, but we got kicked out of that spot real quick by the police. And so now we're here in Newark, California. And as you can see, it's pretty live. There's people everywhere. So the parking lot filled up quick. The police is here, but they ain't messing with nobody. They ain't kicking nobody out. I mean, there's just people everywhere, man. There's tons of people out here. So it's a live meet. We're gonna walk around, see what we can get into, see what we find, get some footage for y'all, maybe pick up some cars. But it's a dark parking lot, so I'm not sure I'm gonna see much of anything in this parking lot. I got a new light that I'm working with. So hopefully I could get some views of some cars, but it's a little off-putting. So if you're talking to people and shining a light in their face, I don't think they're gonna feel that. So I'm not about to do that right now. I might work my way up to it in the future, but for now, I'll just use the light to shoot cars. All right, so I'm gonna turn this camera around. I'm about to slide over here and see what's going on with this crowd. Looks like we got the police here. See what's going on here. So this one might get shot down too, real quick. Mercedes, another Merrill. One of the few that have their hoods open, so we'll take a look at this. Got the tribute to Paul Walker here with the Eclipse from the movie Fast and Furious. So this one's supercharged. He got the race tires on, the Toyo Proxies, Sticky Boys. Mako Duran on Instagram if y'all want to check this car out. Our Instagram, demons.cc. I assume that stands for Car Club. Alright, so we're gonna keep it moving through here. See if I can stay away from this copyright music. We got a Stinger here with the carbon hood. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a Kia Stinger. I like that gray. That's cool. WRX. It's clean. I don't know if this is a wrap or if it's paint. That's clean. Let's see if I get some light on this situation. It's a WRX. It's on a wrap. It's got a wrap. It's like a yellow. It's a little hard to see in this dark, but I got my light on, trying to get a little peep at it. It's got pumps in the back, low air ride system. You see the reservoir in there. It's got 212s, so that's cool. Yeah, it's definitely a wrap. You can see it here. But it's a WRX, carbon hood. Got the glittery paint on the Silverado. Got the rainbow glitter. That's gonna be hard to pick up, but it's got like a rainbow glitter sitting sitting on some 24s. That's cool. It's hard to keep up because the action keeps moving back and forth. So yeah, I don't even know why the police, what they doing. So I'm gonna slide over here. Yeah, so I mean it's live, there's a lot of people, but hopefully fools don't get stupid and it gets shut down. Got the Buick Grand National. This is legit. Let's see if we get some light on this. Got a sick ass Buick Grand National here. This thing's clean as fuck. I like it. Got a dope interior. Nice. Got a Toyota 86. It's got a lot of aero. Big ass wing. But man, a lot of copyright music in this parking lot. Thing since hella low. So that's clean. Nice that Toyota 86. Got the Cadillac ATS. This is nice. I like that blue. That blue is dope. Yeah, this is wet right here. It's in like a royal blue. I'm not sure what the official color is, but yeah, this thing is clean. Just chunky. Hey, what's up, Jensen?
What's up,
How
bro?
you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
I follow you, man.
Thank you.
Always wanted to catch you out on the spot. So this the Drift Cat, huh?
Yes, sir.
That's what's up. My first time seeing it, man.
It's a little dirty right now.
Yeah. You got it set up for drifting or you drag racing still?
Not yet. It's still set up for racing.
Yeah. I can't wait to do something else on Hoonigans. I saw you hitting them up.
Yeah. Saw the first video, right?
Yeah, yeah. Get so a Mini Cooper.
Yep.
Was it not? Is it still Mini Cooper, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it was a.
That's that 500 horsepower Mini,
It
right?
was like a super mini from. I forgot what year it was. Like
Yeah.
69 or something like that.
Okay.
But yeah, it was a K series, a supercharged K series.
Yeah.
And the Mini Cooper had like 500 horsepower to the wheel.
Oh yeah.
It weighed like
That's
1,500
legit though.
It weighed like 1,500 pounds. Like,
Yeah.
super fast.
Hopefully they get you back on the show against someone else though. That was cool.
I hope so.
Yeah, yeah. You ain't vlogging tonight?
Huh?
You not vlogging tonight?
No, I am. Here and there.
Your brother here too? No. You're solo dolo, huh?
Yeah.
All right, man. I ain't gonna take up much of your time, but I want to shoot your car, you know.
It's all good, brother.
So that's did you port the intake?
Yeah, the supercharger's ported, and then it's got billet race bearings and stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Now all this copyright music though, man, I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to use.
Bits and pieces.
Yeah, you know how it is.
I appreciate it. What's your name?
My name's Brett Media.
Nice to meet you.
I'm another car YouTuber.
Okay, hella dope.
Yeah, check me out, man. I'm just trying to come up. I want to be like you know what I'm saying? So, cool cat chopped it up with me for a little bit. But man, there is so much copyright music tonight that I'm not sure how much of this you guys can hear. The CTSV wagon is clean. Yeah, I like this. You don't see too many wagons. Another CTSV, but man, that wagon is dope. Man, I might have to get me a wagon. I've been seeing a lot of wagons that I like. Oh, here we go. Got the Mero. This looks like maybe a 70. Is this a 70?
70 and a half.
Huh?
70 and a half.
70 and a half Camaro. That's got the little fiberglass part around. It's like a two-piece nose. Yeah, polyurethane. There you go. Nice. How long you had this?
About 5 years.
Man, I got a 73.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah.
The RS front end also?
No. It's I got the fake Z front end, Z28. Yeah.
Save the full.
But mine was a LT, so I'm faking it.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm faking it. Mine's a LT. Okay, but you know I got the Z28 front end, so but it's all good. It's still clean.
You gotta keep them alive.
Oh yeah, for sure. What do you got under the hood?
This is LS Frankenstein.
LS?
Little Frankenstein LS. What kind of
Is it LS1?
It's a 5.3 with some built.
Oh, 5.3. Okay. All right. That's like a LM7.
No, not that. It's a street build.
Okay. That looks like LS1. I like a Camaro or something.
Components with 223 heads.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take a look at that. Oh,
I drive
nice.
her a lot, so I, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. Look at dirty.
Oh, that's okay, man. It's better if they're a driver. That means they run. It ain't no good if they just sit in the garage. You can't have fun that way. Oh, that's nice. Clean setup. Fits in there good. I actually have a LS swap of mine too.
Very nice.
So if I got a, I did mine with a single turbo, and I put a turbo here, and then move the battery to the back. I don't have it here tonight though. It's on timeout.
Sometimes it has to be like that.
Huh?
Sometimes it has to be like that. Little timeout. Get a little
Oh, mine, it's a whole story to mine. I got a narrow driveway and my boat is in it. So to get my car out of the garage, I got to move my boat. And I was just like, I ain't trying to do that right now. I'm just going to slide through. It's a Monday. I ain't trying to do all that. Yeah. Nice, man. The Trailblazers and the wrap. That's clean. Got the SUV sliding through. Got the clean ass Corvette, a C7 Z06 on 4G autos, and a sick ass blue. I know I've been favoring the blue cars tonight. That don't mean nothing. I ain't claiming no colors, but I just think they look clean, and I like it on these alloy wheels too. So we're gonna walk over here and check out this notch real quick. Oh damn. Okay, that's what's up. Got the LSA swap in the notch. You can see the supercharger on top. This thing fits in there good too. I didn't think it would fit like that. That's nice. Got the custom coolant reservoir, catch can, TIG welded intake to go to an intercooler. Can't really tell if it goes to an intercooler, but this is cool. Got the camber kit on it. That's clean. Yeah, this thing looks good. It looks like a emerald green notch. Interior is all original. They got no gauges in it, so this thing's still being worked on, but that's cool. It looks like it's got a 6-speed Tremec. Old school. Yeah, that's nice though. The LSA swap. That's just wet. He's got the Hellcat in a color I ain't never seen. This must be a wrap, I would imagine. I ain't never seen this color combo. It's cool. Not really a color I would pick. But I'm gonna get this 5.0 real quick on the gold ones. Drop top. On some Menace to Society type shit. With the gold ones. Low profiles with the drop top. That's cool. Got another one here too. On some silver wire wheels. Another drop top 5.0. Little notch back. That's nice drop top. Got vendors selling some Hot Wheels here in the parking lot. Bunch of people selling Hot Wheels. Got the Dukes of Hazzard style Charger here. 01 in the orange, a tribute to Dukes of Hazzard. I don't know if y'all remember that. We got a Skyline, silver. That's cool. It's got the badge in the front, and it's a right-hand drive too. This yours? What you got? What's in under the hood? Yeah. Is that R20?
No, it's an RB25.
RB25? Is that what it came with?
Yeah.
RB25? Single turbo?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's sick. And it's a right-hand drive too?
Yeah, it's right.
Oh, that's sick, man. How long you had it?
I got it a couple of months ago.
Okay, you like it?
Yeah, it's cool.
Fast, huh?
It's alright.
It's all right?
Yeah.
It's all right. So you must be used to something faster, huh?
No, you can always use
They're
more power.
never fast enough, right? All right. Cool. I like it, man. Very clean. So we got the R33 Skyline, right-hand drive. This is nice. I like it. Cool. So yeah, it's been a pretty live event, but it looks like everybody leaving now, so I'm about to dip out myself here soon. But you know, it was cool. There were a lot of cops present, but they were chill. They didn't do nothing. They just kind of walked around just to make sure people weren't getting too stupid. But I haven't seen any citations. I haven't seen anyone get towed yet. So I'm gonna say they was cool with it. I'll see what else I could get before I go, but this is about the end of this video.